What if your greatest financial breakthrough isn't waiting for another job, another promotion, or another degree? What if it's already in your hands, hidden inside your creativity? The first person in the Bible filled with the Spirit wasn't a king. He wasn't a prophet. He wasn't a priest. He was an artisan. When God instructed Israel to build the tabernacle, He didn't simply ask for willing workers. He chose one man by name, Bezalel. Exodus 31 verses 1-5. See, I have chosen Bezalel, and I have filled him with the Spirit of God, with wisdom, with understanding, with knowledge, and with all kinds of skills, to make artistic designs. Notice what God filled him with: wisdom, understanding, knowledge, skill, creativity. God didn't separate spirituality from craftsmanship. He empowered both. Many people believe creativity is a hobby. God calls it stewardship. Some people pray for financial miracles, while ignoring the gift God has already placed inside them: the ability to design, to write, to teach, to build, to code, to solve problems, to create. Your creativity isn't just self-expression. It may be God's provision. Today, the world's economy rewards people who create value. A designer creates brands. A teacher creates understanding. A programmer creates solutions. A filmmaker creates stories. An author creates ideas. An entrepreneur creates opportunities. People don't pay simply for products. They pay for problems that are solved. Bezalel's wealth wasn't found in gold. It was found in the skill to transform gold into something valuable. That's the difference between owning resources and creating value. Proverbs 22 verse 29. Do you see someone skilled in their work? They will serve before kings. Your skill can take you where money alone cannot. God didn't ask Bezalel to copy Egypt. He asked him to build something original. That's a lesson for every entrepreneur. Don't spend your life copying someone else's assignment. Develop the gift God entrusted to you. When your creativity serves God's purpose, it becomes kingdom wealth. Ecclesiastes 9 verse 10. Whatever your hand finds to do, do it with all your might. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? What skill can I improve? What gift have I buried because I thought it wasn't spiritual? Maybe your greatest investment isn't buying another thing. Maybe it's developing the gift God already gave you. Before asking God for more money, ask Him to increase your wisdom. Before asking for another opportunity, ask Him to sharpen your gift. Because God often provides financially through the creativity He has already placed within you. Deuteronomy 8 verse 18. Remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth. Bezalel reminds us that wealth doesn't always begin with money. Sometimes it begins with a God-given gift, placed in faithful hands. Comment, share, and subscribe to Graceful Grace Finance.